Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your IT administrator has limited access Windows 11. Well, the first step is to open the browser. Here look for CMD. Right-click, Run as Admin. Here you will paste each and every one of the commands that I will leave in the description. Paste it and press Enter from the first to the last one. In case you get this message, just type Y and hit Enter. Once you have entered all the commands, click here and log out, then log in again. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.